Looking at Nissan Rogue? You should consider the 2018 Ford Escape. For starters, Escape tows considerably more than Rogue, more than 3 times as much. It has a substantial horsepower advantage, 245 to 170. And Escape has enhanced active park assist, which takes the fear out of parallel or perpendicular parking. Rogue can't do this. Escape also has intelligent 4-wheel drive, which gives you enhanced handling in different driving conditions. And there's this. Over 96% of all Escapes sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today. Better where it matters. That's how you become America's best-selling brand. Ford, the most awarded brand for initial quality by J.D. Power.